Nick in the building. What's good, y'all? Today we're back here with another banger video. Today we're gonna be doing an installation video on installing my new SI Mugen lip bumper. Alright, so basically what I'm gonna basically be doing is taking off my old bumper, because as y'all can see and as y'all told y'all before, that I cracked the front of my bumper. So bumper did come in, and yeah, so we're gonna just install it. All right, so y'all already know y'all already know what to do. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe. Make sure y'all go run up my SI video, SI Racer Mustang WRX video coming soon. All right, y'all make sure y'all go run both of those videos up. I'm gonna have this video drop for y'all. I got another video dropping for y'all on Wednesday, so y'all make sure y'all please stay tuned, subscribe to that. Every person that watches this video, y'all make sure y'all subscribe to this channel. So that being said, I don't want to talk too much, talk too long. All right, I want to hurry up and get this thing on so I can go ahead and take it out for a ride, test drive, and everything like that. So let's get right into it. All right, let's get it. All right, you guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and pull out the bumper. All right, and we're gonna go ahead and get this thing worked on, get it started. All right, let's get it. Here we go. Voila. Here we go. Hold on. Alright. Got our box cutter, as y'all can see. Alright, so here we go. Let's go ahead and cut it open. Literally the plastic, y'all should see. Alright, go ahead and take this off. If there's a lot of wind in the camera, I apologize. And I'm sorry that y'all can't barely see me, but let's go ahead and fix that. Hold on. Okay, we should be good. Alright, let me see. SI bumper. Alright. So, as y'all can see, as I was telling y'all, right here on the front, it comes with this aggressive SI splitter right here on the side. All right, this one doesn't have it. This one does not. My old one doesn't have it, but this one is, like I said, more aggressive, a lot more aggressive. Hold on. All right, guys, so we will need a drill. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and start taking out all the screws and all my old bumpers so we can go ahead and get this one installed. All right, let's get it. see, this is the damage done, all right, to my old bumper where I cracked it. Literally, as y'all can see, this was the damage done, and that's how much I had left, all right? Literally, just like that, it just snapped in half. So, yeah, this is donezo, and I actually figured out I had another crack here as well, which I never found out about this one. So, enough talking. We done giving that one praise. We're gonna get this one, and we're gonna go ahead and put it on. Y'all, look at the front of my car. First of all, I've yet to see my car like this in a long time. Like, look at it literally just looks so stock. Disgusting, because yeah. So we're gonna put this aggressive splitter on. And we're gonna see. Hey, we're gonna see how it look, how it work, or how it look. All right, let's get it. All right, correction. All right, not a drill bit. I literally just had it and I forgot already. All right, but we need one of these. All right, to make the holes into the bumper. All right, let's go. All right, you guys, so as y'all can see, I do have the bumper here, all right on, and it looks pretty good. All right, looks like a good fit. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and get the holes drilled in. Definitely looks way more aggressive than my last one. All right, but yeah, let's go ahead and get the holes drilled in, especially with the carbon hood. It's gonna look great. All right. Alright, you guys, so I think my camera just shut off, but I don't know when it stopped at, so whatever part it stopped at, I'm gonna just keep it going. I don't know what happened. I just heard it shut off, but yeah, I'm gonna keep going. So we're looking to be about done. Go ahead and take y'all off of this. Alright. Like I said, it definitely gives it a lot more aggressive. But yeah, the look is definitely a W look on this. Like I said, one thing that is a con about it, one thing that I know is a con about it is that I just don't like a little bit how high it goes off the ground. So, you know, as y'all can see in my last video, I think I should have a picture. I put it somewhere on the screen. But you see it kind of goes like a little bit up and then it comes back down. So, but like I said, once I got more plans to the car, alright? Got future plans. I'm probably gonna slam it a little bit lower. And then, like I said, as far as my tires and stuff, my tires are kind of thick as well. All right, so I'll definitely be getting some slimmer ones, and that'll also bring me down to the ground lower. So that being said, all right, hope y'all did enjoy this video. Y'all be sure to like, comment, subscribe on this video. Everybody that watched this video, please subscribe. All right, and share with your friends and your family. Make sure y'all go run up my SI video, my WRX video. Make sure y'all go run up both of those videos for me. All right, and with that being said, I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.